I'm here at the Jogjakarta airport and it is amazing. It's so beautiful here. And what's even better is we're gonna take a train straight to the city center. Wow. You can't make this stuff up. They have freaking dinosaurs here. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing. There's many friends here. And the saddest, most demented looking raccoon ever. Look at that. He is just planning destruction of the world. First impression of Jogja. Wow, really bougie airport. Here's the train.
After taking like 3 buses, I'm almost to Prambanan Temple. This is going to be my first temple of the trip, so I'm really excited to see it. It looks epic.
But first, we need to walk there through this crazy ass street.
Alright, we made it to the entrance.
Hey guys, it's a really nice day today. We are heading to Taman Sari, a tourist village with a water castle and a museum and other things, so it should be really fun. Let's go! This palace was built by a sultan in the late 1700s, and this was essentially his playground for his entourage to enjoy. It features these various pools as well as an underground mosque and underground tunnels. Hey guys, today I'm taking a Batik art class. It's really amazing and really fun. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you guys the studio and what the paintings look like. So here are some of the paintings when you first enter, and they offer workshops here, and I'll show you guys some examples of the things that you can make. So you can just start off small at first, and this is just with one color. And the way that you make the white outline is by using wax. So I really love this cat here. That's so perfect. And I'm doing this size today. I love this one. Little ocean theme. Here's another example. Some herrings or cranes. How it works is you flip through these pieces of fabric that are already traced, so it makes it extra easy. Looks are deceiving though. Doing these outlines is really hard with the wax pen. And here's just one amazing example. Look at all of those different colors. I could truthfully spend hours here just looking at every beautiful painting. Wow. Bella's cutting my bangs. This is the ultimate exercise in trust. Yay! I've been here in Jogjakarta for 5 weeks now, and I think it's just time to move on. I always get really sad when I leave certain places that I stayed a lot of time in. I feel a really strong attachment to this place, and yeah, if you're wondering, it's just it's not easy to leave. It's really not easy to leave. All right, we are now departing Jogja. All good trips must come to an end, so we are here at the train station and we're taking a train about 4 hours east. Let's go.